Good evening, friends. This is Mamo. I'm going to be making some maple nut fudge. Follow along with me if you wish. In my pan, I have 3 cups of white chocolate chips. I didn't quite have enough, so I melted 2 squares of the vanilla bark. And 1/2 stick of butter, 1 can of sweetened condensed milk, Now we're going to let this melt on low. Go ahead and prepare you an 8x8 dish lined with parsnip paper. Now we're going to add a teaspoon of maple flavoring. Now we're going to add some walnuts, about a cupful. Smells so good. Now it's ready to pour in the pan. And now, you know what? So good. I'm going to let it cool and then I'll be back. And here you have it. It's set up. Well, I never had parsnip pepper to stick. There we go. This is the best candy ever when it comes to taste. Delicious. It's thick, so I'll cut it in smaller pieces. There it is. Like I say, this takes a little bit longer to set up. I don't know why, but about an hour, and I put mine in the fridge. It's delicious. I picked on it too much today. I licked the spoon Eat scraps of candy. Quote of the day. Life is what you make of it. It always has been and always will be. Y'all have a good day.